Hi guys, I'm going to be cooking egg in bread. It's simple, quick, and it's perfect for breakfast or just a lovely snack. Now to make this, all you're going to need is some thick slices of bread, any bread, one large or medium egg per slice, a little bit of butter, tiny amount of oil, and a little bit of salt for seasoning the egg. Now to start with, simply cut a hole in the middle of the bread. You could use a biscuit cutter, maybe a glass, or even just use your fingers. The main thing is, make sure the hole is big enough to accommodate the egg. Butter both sides of the bread, and now we're ready. Let's cook. Grab a non-stick frying pan and place on a low heat. Add the buttered bread and cook for the first side for about 1 minute, and then flip over the bread. Add a tiny amount of oil in the middle of the hole. Crack an egg into the hole, season the egg with a little bit of salt, and then cook for about 2 minutes on this side. Really, you want to cook until the whites of the egg are just starting to firm up slightly, because we need to flip it over. Then carefully, using a spatula, flip your bread over, add a tiny amount of oil to the pan, and if you can, just lift up the bread slightly, tilt the pan so the oil runs underneath the egg. Now by doing that, it should help to prevent the egg from sticking to the pan. Cook the egg for about 1 minute, depending how you like your egg. You can push down very gently on the yolk to get the egg just right, whether you like it firm or slightly soft. Mine, I'm hoping, is going to be slightly soft. Then serve yours up. Now, just to show you, I actually cut my egg open. Look at that, beautiful, nice and runny, just how I like it. Also, you could serve yours up with a little bit of bacon and enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave the comments, ring the bell, and share this video because it tastes yummy. Going, gone.